Mr. President, a country long steeped in the tradition of deploying and exporting terrorism has no shame in advancing the most ludicrous narratives to that end. Where terrorism is concerned, we are making it clear that there will be no distinction between the terrorists and their sponsors. Both will be held accountable.
India came down heavily on Pakistan Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif for his speech at the United Nations General Assembly, accusing Islamabad of glorifying terrorism and misrepresenting facts. India's sharp rebuke came after Sharif, in his address to the general debate of the 88th session of the UNGA, said the people of Pakistan stand with the people of Kashmir and that Kashmir will gain its fundamental right to self-determination through an impartial plebiscite under the auspices of the United Nations. Terming the Pakistan Prime Minister's remark absurd theatrics, First Secretary in India's permanent mission to the UN, Petal Gehlot, said, "This assembly witnessed absurd theatrics in the morning from the Prime Minister of Pakistan, who once again glorified terrorism that is so central to their foreign policy. However, no degree of drama and no level of lies can conceal the facts." Gehlot went on to refer to the Pahalgam terror attack and India's Operation Sindoor in response to it, and how Pakistan shielded the Resistant Front, a Pakistani-sponsored terror outfit, at the UN Security Council on April 25. A picture speaks 1,000 words, and we saw many pictures of terrorists slain in Bahawalpur and Muridke terror complexes by Indian forces during Operation Sindoor.
When senior Pakistani military and civilian officials publicly glorify and pay homage to such notorious terrorists, can there be any doubt about the proclivities of this regime?
Gehlot added that Pakistan had the tradition of deploying and exporting terrorism. Let us recall that it sheltered Osama bin Laden for a decade, even while pretending to partner in the war against terrorism. Its ministers have just recently acknowledged that they have been operating terrorist camps for decades. It should come as no surprise that once again this duplicity continues, this time at the level of its Prime Minister. However, criticizing New Delhi over the situation in Kashmir, Sharif on Friday said the country was ready for a composite, comprehensive and result-oriented dialogue with India on all outstanding issues. He also praised US President Donald Trump, saying his efforts for peace helped avert a war in South Asia. Interestingly, India has been consistently maintaining that the hostilities with Pakistan was paused following direct talks between the Directors General of Military Operations of the two militaries.